Are you getting tired of all of my painting videos? You are getting tired of seeing these colors and all? Okay, then this video is for you. This video is going to be a craft videos. In that I will show you how you can make your own customized mini sketchbook and also how you can create DIY color palette and DIY brush also. And the interesting thing is you can make these three from the waste materials, okay, which you don't use anymore. So guys, this video is going to be very much amazing. So before starting the process, guys, please subscribe my channel. Click on the red subscribe button in the right side and make it great. Without wasting any more times, let's get started.
Thank you to the Kalpurus page for posting this. And also guys, here you can see I have taken the wallet and some papers which has been already used. Now I need also some scissors to cut the wallet and the paper. Also I need a scale for measuring purpose. Need glue to fix that and need one old ribbon to bind the sketchbook. Also guys, I need to color, so I'm taking fabric colors and brushes. Now I will start my work. So I'm taking the scissors to cut out the back side of the wallet, as I will make the cover of the sketchbook by using this. See here, this is done. Now I am taking the back side of the wallet to use. Okay, now cover part is done. We have to do the paperwork. So now I am taking the cover and making it as per the measures, and then in the same way I will measure the paper. I am not telling you how much I have taken. You can do it by yourself, by your choice. Now I am taking the scale and I am measuring it, because by measurement only we can be sure that how much paper I need and how much cover it will covered. Okay, otherwise you can't make a sketchbook if you didn't do any measurement, because you have to put it together and after that only you can bind that. Okay, that's why only you need measurement very much effectively. And also guys, it should be very much precise, because if it's getting something big, then it will not be in that cover. Okay, that will not look nicer. So guys, be sure that you can measure these papers with the cover so that it will be very much easy to bind. Now you need some needle and thread. So here I am taking needle and thread to bind the sketchbook. Now see how I am sewing it. So after the sewing, I have to cut some small portion of both sides, and in all over the side I have to put some glue, because when you will put some glue, that time only you can fix that cover. Okay, so I will fold the side carefully. I am saying to do it carefully because I need it a neat and clean look. So now I am preparing the ribbon. So to prepare the ribbon, I am adding some beads with one heart-shaped charm with the ribbon to prepare this. And now I am binding the sketchbook by using the ribbon. So you can see in the sketchbook here is some mismatch of color. So I am putting the color to cover that part. Okay. Now I am adding big charms on the sketchbook by using some glue. So now it will be very much neat and clean, and also when you will see that sketchbook with this big beads, and this ribbon also, it will look so much neat and clean and one vintage look. So guys, now I will make the DIY color box. So for that I am taking a bindi box where there was some bindis. So I am taking the box and I have taken some gram flour and making the dough by using water. Here my niece Mishtu was helping me. Now when the dough is ready, I have to cut them into some small pieces and I have to put them together in the bindi box one by one. Here you can see this. So I have cut 6 pieces to make 6 base color: red, blue, green, yellow, black and white. Now after the placing of the dough in the bindi box, I will use fabric color to color them. First of all, I will put white color for all so that color will be prominent. When it will be given one by one, I have to put the color to make this DIY color palette. Okay, so now one by one I am putting the color, and now when this 6 color will be done, that time it will be ready to use. Okay, so yeah, now it's tends to completed, and when it will be completed at the last, you have to put it in the sunlight to dry. And that's it. Your DIY color palette is ready to use after 24 hours of drying. Now the third one, I will show you how I will make one DIY brush. So for that I am taking one empty bottle of nail polish and I need that nail polish brush. Okay, so by using some newspaper I am removing the nail polish on the brush, but still there are some nail polish stick on the brush. So by using nail polish remover I am removing the rest of the nail polish from the brush. Now I am cutting the round portion of the brush to make it a proper shape, and after that I am coloring it as the brush. And when you will color it, you have to put it in the sunlight for dry, and yeah, after drying only we can use that. Now it's time to put black color so that it will give you a look of the brushes. Okay guys, so yeah, this brush is also ready. Now it's time to put together all of the things. Okay, so I will write something on it by using them. You can see here what I am doing. Guys, let me know in the comment section how was the idea. Do you like it or not? If you like it, please give a thumbs up, and also if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe this, and also share this video with your friends and family.
that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have really liked this very much. So if you do, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. You can share this video with your friends and family. Otherwise, you can teach your kids also how to make crafting. Okay guys, so in this situation, please wear mask, use sanitizer and take care. Stay home, be safe. Thank you for tuning this video. Bye bye, take care.